The Unsung Hero. A story about the power of silent hard work. In the heart of a busy city stood a towering building where ambition echoed through every hallway. It was home to one of the most prestigious companies in the country, where talented professionals competed daily to shine, to be recognized, and to rise. Amid this buzz of brilliance, there was a man named Raghav, quiet, punctual, and often overlooked. He wasn't the loudest in meetings. He didn't boast about his achievements, nor did he compete for attention. He arrived before everyone and left after all had gone. His desk was always neat, his work always complete, and his presence almost invisible. Raghav was an assistant in the maintenance department. Most employees passed him by with a nod, hardly knowing his name. Yet, every light that stayed on during late nights, every chair that stood firm, every malfunctioning system restored before it became a problem, bore his fingerprints. He listened more than he spoke. He acted more than he promised. While others celebrated their promotions and posted achievements online, Raghav simply worked, in silence, in shadows. One stormy night, the city was hit by a massive power outage. The building's backup systems faltered, and chaos loomed. Deadlines were near, important presentations at stake. While everyone panicked, it was Raghav who climbed down to the dark basement, tools in hand, and worked tirelessly for hours to restore power. By morning, the lights flickered back on. Coffee brewed. Laptops buzzed. Business resumed, uninterrupted. No one knew how. Until security footage revealed it, a single man drenched in sweat, navigating darkness, solving problems no one else dared touch. The company's CEO, humbled, addressed the staff that week. He didn't speak of sales or strategies. He spoke of Raghav, the unsung hero star. The man who never asked for applause, but whose silent hard work held the company upright. From that day, Raghav's story was told across departments, not because he wanted it, but because he deserved it. His story became a reminder. Success isn't always loud. It doesn't always walk into the room with applause. Sometimes, it wears a quiet smile, walks alone, and keeps the world running while no one's watching. Moral: in a world that rewards noise, never underestimate the power of silent hard work. The unsung heroes are often the ones holding up the pillars others stand on.